and I are here to present and explore this amazing box that I received from James Marshall, and in it is a puppet named Marvin. And I've never done an unboxing before, but I just think it's extraordinary that James has created his own limited edition puppet company, and they are creating these magnificent puppets that I've seen online, and over the years I've watched his company grow, and having the opportunity to check out this cool puppet is something I'd like to share with you all. I've never done this before, and you know, I don't think Lulu's ever done this before, so I guess we'll just see what happens. Okay, wow. All right, so comes in this fancy bag. Very cool. Oh, neat. Hey! And it comes with a little outfit with shoes and I think a tie, which is great because after seeing the photos of the character, I've been so excited about checking out this puppet. Hello. I added a part for Marvin into my film project, Spectrum Force 5. He will be playing a math teacher who hangs out with an infinite pi, P-I, like
she's
the pi for understanding circles. So here, let's see what we got here.
And I'm very cute. Wouldn't you agree?
What do we got here? Oh my goodness! What do you think? Lulu has seen so many puppets. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. Well, here we are. Here's Marvin in this great bag. Super cool. If I want to bring him around. Wow, oh my goodness, this is amazing. Let's see here. Oh my goodness. So, oh, that is wonderful. There are actually little loops inside for your fingers, and I can say,
this is awesome! Awesome!
What's that? That's a cat. Oh, I'm new at this. Yeah, well, you got time to figure it out. So this is great. The neck is built in such a way that it doesn't come all the way out, but you can actually turn the head really well without having the whole body move along with it. So you can get some really natural neck movement in there. Super cool. This is amazing. And the detail here, with a little shirt underneath, this is beautiful. And this outfit will be perfect for the math teacher. And these shoes are wonderful. Everything is great. It feels almost as if there's some foam in there too. Keeps its shape really nicely. Anyone who, hi. Anyone who wants to start puppeteering, I would say that this is a great puppet to start with, just because you'll be able to actually do some puppeteering without hand fatigue, you'll be able to perform easily, and you'll be able to have it talk, to do all of your exercises, and to improve your ability to get it to lip sync with your hand. Lulu, are you with us? I guess here, why don't we, I'll just put this down. I can't wait to share with you all how this puppet will move when we get some footage completed of our future math teacher. Thank you so much for checking out this video. And
you can learn more by going to www.pubbets.net.